Hello everyone, welcome to my Strategic YouTube channel. Today I am going to demonstrate how to make heat map with the help of R Studio with this data. So for that, go to the description of this video and link for the R script. So here is the R heat map. Go to this. First you have to download this script. Download it and the data in CSV format. This one. Download this one. Let's copy those two files into the documents and the working directory of the R. Then open the R Studio. Let's clean it, and I am going to make this static folder as a working directory. Let's set as a working directory. Okay, then open the script, this one. So first you need to install these two packages or library. Let's check the first this package. Okay, so this package is already installed, and check the second package. So there is no package called pre-heatmap. To install it, just copy and go to the package, install, paste the package name. Here you can see the package name will appear in the drop down. Click it and press enter. Okay, so pre-heatmap successfully unpacked. It installed. Let's check the both package by loading. Paste it and enter. So the both package are loaded for work. Let's clean it. So first we have to load the data and view the data. So here is the CSV file, and we will use the command read CSV, and after that the view the data frame. Let's paste it and enter. So you can see the data in table format. It is the CSV file, this one. So it is the first column, second column, third column, fourth column. First we have to make the first column as a row name. So for that, here is the command. The row name will be the first column. Let's run it. And enter. So now you can see this is the row name, and there is only 3 columns. So our data is ready to make a heat map. So next make a simple heat map with this small command, pre-heat map, and the data. Let's copy and paste it here and enter. So here you can see the heat map was generated. So it is the simple form of the heat map. Let's do something, and let's see, here is the branching of the column. This two data is very similar, so it is in the same cluster. You can see in all row here is a cluster. Let's remove the cluster. To remove the cluster, you have to add the argument in with the comma, cluster column false, comma, cluster row false. Let's run it. Enter. So you can see there is no cluster or branching. So now I want to change the color of this heat map. So here is the color chart. Color equals to, there is a palette. Let's copy and paste it here and enter. So it is changed the color. You can change the color palette with this palette. Let's see it. Here is the palette chart. So you can choose any of the color palette like BR, BG. Okay, you can place that color code in here, BR, BG, and then run this command. And enter. So it is changing the color. Let's add the border line black. So it is adding the border. And if you want to change the size of this each block, then the cell height and cell width, let's change into 30-30. Let's copy it and run it. Enter. So it's changed the size of this box. And so you can add all these argument one after another with just help of this comma. So here I am changing, here I am introducing the display the number in the heat map equals to true. Yes, display the numbers, and number color will be the black. And you can change the font size according to the font size will be the 8. Let's check it with all argument. Copy, and here I am pasting. Let's paste it. So here you can see the all data is visible within this heat map. So now you can save this heat map by exporting as an image, PNG, JPG, etc. Save it, or you can save also in PDF format. You can also save the previous result, all this previous result, just exporting this. Let's go to the working directory. You can see the image was generated. So here in this CSV file you can replace this data with your own dataset, and with the help of this script you can make your own heat map with the help of this RStudio. So it is the whole tutorial to make the heat map with the help of RStudio. Thank you for watching. I am making this kind of art tutorial in this channel, so please subscribe to my channel and like and comment if you have any query. Thank you.